What's up, guys? As in my previous video, we discussed about the bar chart. As you can see in my first phase, that we are going to show like bar charts. If you missed to watch the bar chart, then you need to go in my playlist and check it out how we can create the bar chart. Okay, let's move on to first phase where we are going to discuss about the new chart. It's a pie chart and donut chart. They both are same, but we can use the different like in separate portions. So let's move on the pie chart. Click on the pie chart and drag it on the dashboard. Okay, till then it's take the automatically for the order ID and the record counts. So it's showing like this, but we are going to change the dimensions. I'm going to change the dimension with the country and the going to open the drill down option and take the city automatically. Okay, I'm going in matrix. I'm going to take the sales and in optional matrix I'm going to select the profit. Okay, so we can select here like profit and sales in matrix and in dimension country and city. Okay, so let's so it's showing attractive, and we go to style, and here we can in style, so we can select the single color that will separate according to the sales and profit. We can change here for the second one, and we can choose like if I will increase this one, then it will be convert into the donut chart. It will be create the circle in the middle in the center. So the donut chart and the pie chart are the same. So here we can change the background. I'm going to check I'm going to click on the one background color so that it's looking amazing. Okay, we can create your dashboard interactive with the help of the this pie chart, because pie chart is by the help of the pie chart we can easily describe our sales, profit, and I'm going to click on the view. Let's check the view mode how it's looking like. Okay, so in upper of the we have the two options like drill down option and the optional matrix. So here we already select the cells and we can click on the like we click on the drill down option, so we can see here like it's according to the you can see this one according to the city, or it's once you so its sales is already selected in the optional matrix. So if I will click on the profit, I want to see how the graph is showing in the profit. So this is according to the city, and uh, here you can select the sales or profit. Click on the drill down, it's showing according to the. So this is the way we can create the pie chart. It's very attracting, and in the next I'm going to click edit, and we are going to work on the second. This is the donut chart. This is also the part of the same pie chart. So so I'm going to create a donut chart. Let's see. So for the donut chart, we click on the add a chart and click the second one. It's a donut chart. Okay, let's drag on the dashboard, and it is take automatically like record counts and uh, order ID and record counts in their metrics and dimensions. So we will change. Let's set this one first, then we will work on that. Okay, let's make it larger and try to make it same as the length the donut chart have. So we let's bend there, and I was select here the category, and it's the cells. In matrix I will select sales, and in dimension I will select category. So by the help of this donut chart, we can easily find out which category get how much percentage it's a you like sales happen. So basically in pie chart and donut chart we can easily represent what are the scope, and how much sales happen, what is the progress of the sales easily. In once click on the style tab, we have the same options like as we have same in the pie chart. So here we can change the same color like uh, so I will go in the like bottom so we can change here the from the background color. I can change the background color, so it's looking amazing. So in this video, the purpose of the this is the in the series chart, in the series of the chart, we discuss the pie chart and donut charts. They are very important for the report once you we are creating. So this is the way how we can create the pie chart and donut chart. So that's it in the video. Keep watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And guys, please like, share, and subscribe so that it will boost up and motivate us to create the new videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.